Hello parents and students, I'm just going to quickly do a video on a game that we like to play in adapted PE a lot to work on our accuracy while underhand throwing, while overhand throwing, while throwing a frisbee, while kicking. You could do this with basketball, with bounce passing, overhead passing, lots of different variations. And it's called the game of Bonk. And if you can see behind me here, I just have a large cone. And this is just, I whipped this up at home. It's just a PVC pipe with an end cap on the top. So it creates a little platform, and I just stick this in this cone down here. Okay, and then we have a dice, okay? So the dice goes on top. And now I would set one up also over here. If you wanted to play competitively, you could set one up on this side and then have two partners throwing back and forth. So we're gonna use the frisbee as an example today. So my partner and I would work on standing across from each other and then throwing and trying to hit the pole. And as you can notice, that dice falls down, and whatever it lands on, which is kind of an exciting random activity, is how many points I score. So I would have 2 points, add that to my score, and then the person would throw down towards my bonk pole. So real fun activity. Let me know if you have any questions. You can shoot me in an email at my school email, and I'd be happy to give you the supply list so you could create this at home. Thanks for watching.